Hello dear traders and welcome to Insta TV. You're watching daily financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. The European Parliament election comes under the spotlight of the market participants. They will also continue monitoring news on the US-China trade conflict, which has been escalated on Friday. A trade war between the US and China continues to affect other countries' economies. However, the US dollar is less vulnerable to changes amid high demand of the US dollar and shares and rising trade tensions. The greenback climbed to 98.022 against its major counterparts. During the last session, it was trading at its highest since March. The breakout of the level of 98 points might open the way to the level of 98.30 and then to 99 points. A slight increase in risk appetite can be observed in the market. Meanwhile, the yen is losing ground against the greenback. The pair closed the Asian session at 110.12. The Japanese economy surprised the world's financial markets. In the first quarter, the reading accelerated by 2.1% year-on-year instead of the expected decline. The activity of sellers on the dollar versus the yen pair is very low, so the probability of its further growth increases. The Australian dollar has unexpectedly strengthened today. The Aussie soared up after the victory of the Conservative government in the federal elections. Initially, analysts predicted that the centre-left Labour Party would win. It seems that the Australian economy is likely to stabilise in the future after the defeat of a less business-friendly party, which posed a threat to business growth. The Australian versus the US dollar pair exhibited strength after the statement of China's central bank. It announced its intention to maintain the stability of the yuan exchange rate, which was affected by the escalation of the trade conflict. The Australian dollar is trading at 0.6924 on Monday. It closed the last week's session at a 4-month low. However, the prospects for further growth of the pair remain questionable. The failure of trade negotiations between the US and China is the worst-case scenario for China and Australia. The forthcoming publication of the RBA meeting minutes is likely to undermine the Australian dollar. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.